The judge ordered the defendants Chesebro and Powell to be tried together on October 23. A Fulton County judge ordered the two defendants in the Georgia election interference case to be tried together on October 23. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee said District Attorney Fani Willis was very skeptical of his willingness to try the remaining defendants' cases together at that time, but would hear more discussion on the matter. "I am ready to hear what you have to say about it," McAfee said. Both defendants have filed requests for a speedy trial, as well as requests to separate their cases from the other defendants, including each other. But the judge said it was not necessary to separate them for a fair trial. During hearing, prosecutors told McAfee that they expect trial against 19 defendants to last 4 months, excluding jury selection, and that state plans to call more than 150 witnesses. Attorney Scott Grubman, defending Chesebro, argues before Fulton County Superior Judge Scott McAfee. McAfee is hearing requests from attorneys representing Ken Chesebro and Sidney Powell in Atlanta on September 6, 2023. Jason Getz. Pool via Prosecutor Nathan Wade argued that even if case were terminated, Chesebro and Powell were tried separately, prosecution would absolutely need same amount of time, same number of witnesses to try case because they had to prove entire case complo. So court will have to decide, for benefit of economy of judiciary, whether court wants to hear same case 19 times. Wade said. Chesebro's attorney, Scott Grubman, argued that it would not be fair to prosecute Chesebro with other defendants, as Chesebro only carried out part of the conduct alleged in indictment. Grubman argued that Fulton County case was based on 3 different conspiracies: 1 alternative voter plot, 2nd about tampering with ballot computers in Coffee County, and 3rd candid efforts against poll worker Ruby Freeman. Mr. Chesebro is only interested in evidence or allegations of what I would call a substitute voter claim conspiracy, Grubman said. While Grubman acknowledged that Georgia's racketeering law gave prosecutors the power to charge broader criminal acts, he argued that it would be unfair to his client associate Chesebro with unrelated acts. Why should Mr. Chesebro have to sit there for weeks if not months and deal with a jury that will hear all the evidence about Coffee County and Ms. Powell? He's never met Ms. Powell. Chesebro's other attorney, Manubir Arora, said separating his client would ultimately result in a cleaner hearing that would be much shorter. However, prosecutors rejected this claim. The state's position is that whether we have 1 case or 19 cases, the evidence is exactly the same, said Will Wooten, acting district attorney for Fulton County. The number of witnesses is the same. Powell's attorney argued that before prosecutor could prove the allegations against him about Coffee County data breach were false. H.